Hello, in this tutorial I want to show you how to add a little search icon up here that when you click there's like a little jQuery effect that slides up and down to show a search box. So it should be pretty cool once we get it all going. So the first thing I want to do is add a little search icon up here into my header. So I need to go into my theme files, to the header, and you can see here that I have a bootstrap navigation, and within the collapse meaning when it goes to a certain width, like the mobile, that it'll collapse down and have a little button so you can toggle back and forth the navigation. But I want to add it just right inside of it, so I'm going to go over to Font Awesome since my theme already has these icons in there, and I want to search for an icon. Grab this search icon here. Perfect. Grab that and put it in here. I also think that Bootstrap nav bars, let's see here, that there's something that'll allow me to align the text already that they have a class for. So for example, let's see here. So yeah, they have this right here, text. Navbar text, that's exactly what we need. This navbar text will automatically align the text so it's even with the other navigation elements. Alright, so let's add this in here. Nav text. Alright, and put this inside of it. Alright, save that. Now let's see what the front end looks like. Alright, we got a little icon. Perfect. Alright, now I want to add like this search thing down here. I want it to be underneath the header. So I'm gonna create, let's just say, search bar. Open that up. Inside there I'm gonna do the container, the bootstrap container. And then a row. And now I need my search element here. So if you have a search form, this is this default search. Like if you're using a widget area and you're using the search widget, it'll look like this right here. So if I'm in my appearance, widgets, see this search widget right here. So this search widget is actually using the markup that is in this search form.php. So you can make it look however you want. And another way that you can grab that is just by doing php get search form, like that right there. So let's go see what we got now. So yeah, I got my search form up here. So I want to make it, in the middle, maybe a little bit wider. So let's see here, let's do a div call medium 8. Put that in there. Let's see what that is. Alright, that makes it a little wider. Now I just need to offset it a little bit so it can, center it up. Offset medium 2. Alright, perfect. Now we got it over here. I'm going to add some styles to grab this, to style this search bar. So I'm going to go into the header. Let's do search bar. Do some padding, 2rm. So top and bottom, and then 0 for left and right. Do a background color to make it pop when it's displayed. I'm going to make it brand success. This is going to be the success color that Bootstrap offers. And let's see what that does. So refresh. Oh, we got nothing because I got an error here because I spelled success wrong. Alright, that looks pretty good. So now what I want to do is make the jQuery to toggle this thing up and down. So first thing we need to do is do display none. So now it's disappeared. So when someone clicks on this button, I want that display none to toggle back and forth. So that's pretty easy to do. I got a site.js with ready for my jQuery. You can see here that got a jQuery document ready with the function $, so that we can still use the $sign in here without WordPress throwing a big fit over it. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to target the FA search. So in the header, we're going to be looking for anyone that clicks on this. So FA search, which is the Font Awesome button. Alright, so we got FA search, and then we're going to do on, open our brackets, on click. Then we do a function. Yep. Perfect. Alright, so now when someone clicks on the FA search, it'll do whatever inside here. So I wanted to, so once I click that, I want to look for the search bar now, and I want to display it. So do search bar, and then we'll do, let's just do toggle. Let's see what that does for us. Alright, so page refresh, let's hit this. Sweet, so there it is, toggling back and forth. Another cool trick that we can do is we could do like a slide down. Let's see what that does. Make sure to slide down. So slide down isn't toggle, so you'd have to do another thing to make it slide back up. But you could do, I think it's slide toggle, like that there. So when we open it up, sweet. So it's toggling back and forth, and it looks pretty good. So when we go into another page, maybe with the header on it, still toggles pretty nicely. So we can do a search, like for post, hit enter, and then search post. You can also, when you toggle it back up, it'll still be up in there, so you can see your last search. So I think that covers everything. Nice little feature to toggle your search box up and down. Feel free to customize the code and make it do whatever you want. Don't forget to check out more tutorials on helpwp.com.